Alright guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Oh, just got up from sleeping. We might go to Prince and Jetty, a surf spot. I've gotten into surfing by this summer. So we might go this afternoon around like maybe I say like a good like 11, maybe 11:30-ish. Right now it's right here. I'm with my dad. We're trying to find if it has cams there. We might go 11:30-ish, right?
Sounds about right.
But first, we must get ready. We are going to go to Pacifica. I decided that. I'm just on my phone. Here's the mount to the surfboard. And you guys will just be hanging out like this. Here's the surfboard. Here's my dad's surfboard. There's my dad driving. When we look outside the window, pretty nice out. Ooh, 58 battery. Yeah, that's what we're designing to surf today. A little bit of Pacifica, 5 to 8 feet. This place was like 5 to 6 feet. I don't know. So, I don't know. We might not go. I don't know. Here's the mouth. Whoa. Oh no, found it. This is what happened. I dropped it. I went bang. I thought it went like, so I dropped it right here. Bang. Flew down. Here's my mask. So yeah, see you at Pacifica. Alright. Here we are. GoPro. Here we go. 5 to 8 feet out. It's already deep here. Wow. It's already deep. The waves are huge out. There will be a whole bunch of ditching. I'm on. It's got water in my mouth. It doesn't matter. We just got out of the water. We're at rocks now. It's freezing. We got caught inside for like an hour. That wasn't fun at all. The only wave I caught, and then this I just caught one wave. That's like the white water size that was under. But like, imagine that's 10 times as big. Here's the surfboard I was riding. To not celebrate, this is what I'm going to do. I'm really mad at the water. And I'm going to do something the water deserves. Pat on the head. Ah. I'll keep going. I know. It did float on my surfboard. We mostly just got caught in the inside.
You mostly took beatings, but you got out there and
I got 2 waves.
You got 2 waves.
And then I rode a whitewater in. Oh, the whitewater's trying to get me. That was crazy.
I told you it was going to be big.
You're the one who brought me out here. I feel like we would have had a better chance surfing at the other place.
The other place is more brutal.
Well, there's like little...
The beatings would have been a lot worse.
So we're heading back to the car to get all changed, and then we have to go get things for dinner. Because we're making sushi.
Yep. Should have grabbed some seaweed when we were taking beatings on the water.
Turn that into our own. We're just walking back right now because we're on concrete, not in the ocean. I was reviewing the footage. There's ducks. That looks like a burnt soccer ball. Is there like seaweed and like stuff all over my head? Oh no. So how was that? As a surf? Is that technically called a surf?
Sir, you caught a wave.
2. We're back at our car. The bucket has got water in it. Oh, no.
Took plenty of beatings.
Yeah. They're not fun. Alright. Made it. Made it back home safely. Yeah, we're not home yet. We're in the car. I'm in the passenger seat right now. I'm gonna review some footage. We made it out alive. We're not on the floor crying because how tired we are. Yeah, I actually still want to surf, but no, it's too rough out. Alright, that's it. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of me just getting in a washing machine. Alright, bye. Peace.